Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm going to do a pour on these two wood rounds. I believe these are 16-inch wood rounds. I'm hoping to make clocks out of them. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to do one with the black base and one with the white base. The one with the white base, I'm going to be using Decoart's Metallic Sapphire. I'm going to use SoHo's Prussian Blue. I'm using Blinkrylic's Florescent Blue. And let's see. Then I'm going to be using Decoart's Metallic Silver. And sterling silver, sorry. Then for the black base, I'm going to use Liquitex Basics Violet Gray, Blinkrylic's Fluorescent Violet, Aunties Metallics Amethyst, and SoHo's Dioxazine Violet Hue. And then for the colors that I'm going to smear with, I'm going to use Amsterdam's Black Oxide and then Amsterdam's Titanium White for this one. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I think I'm going to start with the white first. Okay, so I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. This is the blue one. Blue and silver. I think it's really pretty. I really wish I had a little bit more of the Prussian blue in here, though, so I don't know. We'll see. Right now, I think I will leave it. And then here's the purple. I love this one. That purple and on the black is gorgeous with the silver. Yes, I said silver, not gold. But yeah. So if I end up doing something different with this one, or adding a little bit more in there, I will definitely add that on here at the end. But other than that, I think these will make some pretty clocks. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and you will, you know, do all that fun jazz, like and subscribe and share and comment. I appreciate all your kind words. And yeah, appreciate you guys watching. I hope everybody is healthy and safe. And have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye. Alright, real quick, I just want to show you that I ended up doing a little bit more to this. Just giving it a little bit more darker colors of blue, shades of blue. But I really like it now. Really, really, really like it. I think that looks a lot better. I think the other one was fine too, but I like the more contrasting colors of the blues now, so it's really pretty. I'm still loving that purple one. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Keep being creative. Bye.